स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we'll see all about the St. Xavier College, Mumbai. So in this video we'll discuss about the eligibility criteria, the paper pattern, important dates and the selection process of the St. Xavier College for the upcoming year 2020-21. So guys, stay tuned with me. Here I will give the complete information about admission process of the St. Xavier College. Let's talk about the college first. So St. Xavier Mumbai, it is established in 1869. It is affiliated with Mumbai University. It was the first college which granted autonomy by University of Mumbai in 2010. It offers the undergraduation, post-graduation as well as certified and the diploma programs in arts, science, commerce and business. It also offers the BMS and the BMM program, that is nothing but the Bachelor of Management Studies and Bachelor of Mass Media. So guys, here we'll discuss in detail about the BMS and the BMM program. So let's move further. Guys, as you know, to pursue the BMM and BMS from the St. Xavier, you have to crack the entrance test, which was conducted by the institute itself. The St. Xavier having the intake of 60 seats for each course, that is for 60 seats for BMM and the 60 seats for the BMS. So guys, here we'll see about the eligibility criteria. Here your qualification should be 12th passed and you must obtain the minimum aggregate marks in the 12th examination. That is for general it is 65%, for SC/ST it is 55%, for the Christian or the other minorities it will be 60%. Guys, in the St. Xavier College the age criteria matters a lot. Here your age should not be exceeded to 23 years. That means your birth date must be on or after 1st June of the 1997. For example, if you will give exam in 2021, then the age criteria will be June 1998, and in the case of 2022 it will be June 1999. So guys, as it is an autonomous institute, the eligibility criteria changes each year, so you have to adhere to the eligibility criteria. So let's talk about the exam date. The tentative dates for the St. Xavier entrance exam will be the second week of June, where the registration process starts in the month of May. So let's talk about the paper pattern, that is for BMM. Guys, here I mention BA MCJ because the St. Xavier Mumbai approves the name for the BMM course that will be changed from BMM to BA MCJ. That means the Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication and Journalism. So BMM will be termed as BA MCJ from the upcoming year 2020 and 21. So in the paper pattern, it includes 7 sections which are English language and comprehension skills, economics, data interpretation, logical reasoning and critical analysis, general knowledge, current affairs and the creative thinking ability. The weightage of each section, it is as mentioned, and the mode of exam it will be offline. So exam mode offline hoga, medium of exam English only. The duration of time will be 120 minutes, जहाँ आपको सिर्फ MCQs होंगे for 100 marks, and the good thing is that यहाँ कोई negative marking system नहीं होगा. So let's move further. The paper pattern for the BMS, it includes 5 sections which are English language and comprehension skills, data interpretation, mathematics, logical and visual reasoning, general knowledge and the current affairs, and the 20% of the weightage for each section. So here mode of exam will be online, IBT, that is internet based test, or you can say that computer based. The time duration here is 1 hour and the 45 minutes. Nature of question will be MCQs and that will be for 100 marks. So guys, good thing is that here also there is no negative marking system. So guys, यहाँ डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन और मैथमेटिक्स से जो भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो आपके रिलेट होंगे 10th बोर्ड से, दैट इज फ्रॉम दी अक्रॉस ऑल द 10th बोर्ड. व्हाइल इन BMM डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन और इकोनॉमिक्स से जो भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द सिलेबस ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 10th ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड. लेट्स मूव फर्दर. Here we'll see the selection process. So guys, after the entrance exam, institute release the result, and after the declaration of cutoff, shortlisted candidate will have to appear for the selection round. Now here the final selection will be done on the basis of following parameters, which are the 40% of weightage from the class 12th score and the 60% of the weightage from the entrance test score. So based upon this criteria, your selection process completes. Now here guys, for the BMS aspirants, यहाँ आपको पर्सनल इंटरव्यू देना होगा and then only you will be selected for the St. Xavier College. So let's talk about the documents. सो गाइज यहाँ कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स है जो आपके रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस एज वेल एज सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, विच आर द एडमिट कार्ड, क्लास 10th मार्कशीट, क्लास 12th मार्कशीट, बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, ट्रांसफर सर्टिफिकेट, माइग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट, बोनाफाइड सर्टिफिकेट, कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट, फोटो and the ID proof and the entrance exam scorecard for the selection process. This is all from the today's video. I hope you got all the information regarding the admission process in the St. Xavier College. So guys, if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the comment section. So guys, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding the St. Xavier College entrance test. You can join our online program where you will get books, mock test, sectional and full courses. You can attend our live lectures also. So visit on manovaedu.com. For online program, you can call us on 8828581455. You can also join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.